we just need 3 brushes only. We just need one for the flower, that is the round one, and rest we need a little flat one. Okay, so let's get started. All right. So first of all, we have to make a pink color. So we're going to use red and white to make a pink color. First, we have to mix the colors. Okay. Mine seems to be a little fine. So it's giving me a little bit of pinkish tone. So let's get started. Now what you have to do is you have to take your brush, which is round. Okay. And you just have to make a design. So what you have to do is take a brush here and you need to press it. Okay. So like if I'm going to press it, it's going to spread. Okay. So here we go. Can you see? You can make as many flowers as you want, wherever you want. This is going to be a tulip flowers right in front of you soon. Okay, here we go. You can make as much flowers as you want. Especially if you're not using the 12 number, if you're using a little thinner one, so this effect will not come. So now what I'm planning to do is I'm just gonna be going for a little bit. Let's work on the leaf now. Once I have done few of it, and then once we're going to make a leaf, then we can start off with the flowers again. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to keep this aside. And now I'm going to work on the flowers now. And now we need a very, very thin brush. Okay, so see, I'm having 2 thin brushes. So one is size 0 and one is size 1. So I'm going to use 1. So now this is a very, very thin. So I'm just going to make lines. So pick up any of your green color. If you're going for dark, if you're going for light, if you're going for both. That I'm going to start off with the lighter green first. Okay. And now we have to make lines. So you can go and make lines down, straight lines. Okay. So here we go. So I need to add more flowers now. So now you know where you have to add flowers. You can make little small also. It is not compulsory that you need to make a big one also. We have blend the way you want. Some big, some small. The thing of brush is all entirely in your hand. Now we're going to work on the leaves. So I will be taking little green. Okay. So now it depends upon which brush do you want. You want a flat, you want to make a round one, you want to make a big leaf. That's entirely on you. Okay. I'm using this one. We are going to make leaves. So here we go. So I'm using a little dark green for make this like going up and join it. All right, so did you see? Okay, don't go very much up on making these leaves, not on the top. That looks little odd. Just try to make leaves down only, okay? Very less on top and more on down. Now what we have to do is we have to give little bit lines with the help of the leaf. So we have to give it very, very small. Okay. So like be very careful where we have to give. We have to give the lines so that the flower is holding it. See, either you use this, but I'm going to use this one now. I'm just taking a little dark green color. Okay, now I'm just going to show what I'm going to do is just make a line here as if you're holding a flower. Okay. So now it's giving a complete look. Okay, all right. So now we're going to take up with the next one. That is, we're going to take a white color now, and we have to put these dots on the white color. See. I'm ready. So let me also show you. I'm also almost done. See. Okay, so that was it for today. And you can make as many flowers as you want with these kind of combinations. Okay. Right. So that is it. So here is our beautiful, beautiful brush printing is ready. Isn't it? It's looking very nice. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you, and I hope you had a good time enjoying this beautiful scene. Now, did you realize what we used to think the brush is always for paint? We never realized we can make different flowers out of that, isn't it? That was it for today. Love you. God bless you. Bye-bye.